Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to mix it up a little bit, and today I'm going to bring you a natural nail manicure. Thanks for clicking in, and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I do is always grab a face mask. The green one is from Dollar Tree, and these ones in the blue box are from CVS. I don't use them as much because they push down on my face and leave a mark. My next step is to grab my Kiss e-file and gently buff the surface of this color so the acetone can seep in for a more simple soak-off process. It doesn't take off a lot of color, but for me that's fine because it's very gentle. Now I'm going to take half a cotton ball with this trusty acetone pump bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree and start the soak-off process. I let my nails soak for 15 minutes and then I'll come and do a check. Usually they are all good, but as you can see right here on my thumb, there was still a lot left. So what I'll do is I'll take a 180 coarse file and start buffing that off. After that, I soak my fingers in acetone for just 10 more minutes, and that should get the rest of the product off, as so. And this is what my nails look like after soaking them in acetone. All of the product is off, and they are ready for a manicure. Now I'm ready to gently buff the surface of my nail plate just to get the product off. Then I'm taking this pump bottle with alcohol and wiping them clean, taking my favorite cuticle oil, pushing that in, and we're going to push the cuticles back. This has become one of my favorite tools. I love that it's double-ended and it works perfectly. It's stainless steel and I picked it up at a local nail supply store. Unfortunately, I do not have a link for this. Alright, I have finished my cuticles and I'm just going over them, making sure there's nothing left, and they are great. So now I'm going to move on to shaping them. I gently go in one direction on both sides and go underneath as well. I am not a nail tech, but I have taken up the hobby of doing my nails at home and I've been loving it. So if you are a nail tech or going to school and you have some tips and tricks on how to file or shape, please let me know in the comments below. After I have shaped, this is what they look like, and I will just go in a little bit more to tighten it up, and I am done. And the last step to my natural nail manicure is taking Kiara Sky's cuticle oil and smothering my fingers with that because I love it. And after a while with acetone, they do become a little dry, but here are my natural nails with that manicure, and I'm all ready for a new set. Thank you all for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you all have a wonderful week.
Let's have a bit of fun till I die.